Hi, and welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plant Food for Longevity series, where we uncover health benefits from nature and plants in particular for the purpose of maintaining good health and also prolonging life. So the nugget for today is the Sweet Basil. The basil herb comes in two varieties. You have the sweet one, which is this one that I've got here, smooth leaves, and that you can get from your supermarket. And also we have the holy one. The holy basil is the one that is used specifically for medicinal purposes, even though the sweet basil is also packed with nutrients. So today I'm going to show the recipe using the sweet one, but the same recipe applies to the holy basil in making it into tea. So first, let's go through the benefits of both and the drawbacks as well. The basil also can be dried, so you can just pluck them as it is, maybe leave them in the oven to dry out, or put them in the sun to dry. And like I've got the ground one here, so you can see they can be used for culinary purpose. Maybe use it to spice your food. You could add it to your salad. This also can be added to salad or used as a spice in food. So let's go through the main benefits and the drawbacks, and then we'll do a cup of tea. So basil, like I said, is a herb. So it's a fragrant herb from mint family. It's widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. The benefits of basil, the first one is that it's rich in antioxidants. It contains flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C that helps protect the cells from oxidative stress. Also is anti-inflammatory. Basil essential oil, the eugenol, reduces inflammation in the body, which help with heart health and arthritis. Basil also may help us to lower cholesterol and blood pressure due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So it's good in supporting a healthy heart. Also, it's got antibacterial and antimicrobial compounds in it that can fight bacteria such as E. coli, and is great for supporting our immune health. It's also good as a blood sugar regulation. It helps us, especially the holy basil. The holy basil is similar, except that it has rough surface and the leaves are larger. So the holy one can help us fight bacteria like E. coli and is good for supporting our immune system. It's also a good herb to use for blood sugar regulation. Studies, especially the holy basil, has suggested that it can lower blood sugar level. So basil are great to reduce stress and anxiety, particularly the holy basil is used to promote mental clarity and resilience against stress. So what are the possible effects of basil in general? The first one is blood thinning. The eugenol may act as a blood thinner, so use with caution. If you're taking anticoagulants, then it can lower blood sugar, so may enhance the effects of diabetes medicine. So if you're on medication for diabetes, go easy on the herb basil, especially the medicinal one, holy basil. Those who are pregnant or breastfeeding are also advised to not use herb. Like general advice for herb, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, stick to food amounts. Use it to spice your food, add it to your salad, but not in too much amount. Although rare, it may cause skin or food allergies in some people. So the medicinal one, the key health benefit is that it helps the body cope with stress, both physical and emotional. It helps reduce anxiety and promotes mental clarity. It supports immune function, lowers blood sugar and cholesterol, is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and it may help with respiratory conditions like asthma or cold. So if you are having issues like arthritis, heart issues, blood pressure, asthma, cold, so holy basil is a great herb. So the question now is, what is the difference between the holy basil and the sweet basil? The sweet basil, like I said, is the one that is with smooth surface on the leaves. In the use, the holy basil is used for medicinal purpose mainly, and the sweet one is used for culinary, adding to food such as salad and maybe making into tea. Then the aroma, the sweet one is, like its name, is sweet and peppery to taste, and the Holy Basil is earthly and clove-like when you drink it. My mom used to give us the Holy Basil growing up. She had it planted in the backyard, and then anytime she would say, oh, come and have a little bit, she would squash it up, add it to water, and make us drink the water. So this is a good medicinal plant that we can all incorporate into our diet for health, heart, and to support our immune system. The color is green. For both of them, they are green. The other one is like maybe lemony kind of green. The holy one is quite deep in color. The sweet one can be used as dried herb, like the one I have here, and you can use it also for fresh leaves for your salad, or just to add into fish or soups or any other cooking that you could have added thyme or parsley to. The holy one is mainly used to make tea, tonic, supplement, and essential oil. Like I said, growing up, my mom used to make it into like a drink, like a tonic that we drank just for well-being and to maintain our immune system. In the usage, the Holy Basil is mainly for stress, anxiety, immune support, inflammation, blood sugar, and respiratory issues. It's safe to use daily, but use in moderate amounts. Then the sweet basil is useful for mild digestive issues, for bloating, for cramps, to light detox, or for refreshing drink. And this also you can use frequently, but use in moderation as well. The taste is mild, is peppery, sweet. And then, can you mix both? Yes, you can mix both the sweet and the holy basil in your recipes, in your tea, in your food, or in your medicinal tonic. So how do you use the basil leaves herb for tea? For daily well-being, you can use 1 cup to support your digestion, maybe on a daily basis or every other day. For stress and anxiety, you drink in the morning or in the evening to calm the mind and reduce stress hormones. Then for cold, cough, and respiratory relief, you can add ginger and honey and drink maybe 2 or 3 times a day if you have cold, to relieve congestions and throat irritation. Finally, drink before or after meals to soothe bloating or indigestion. So if you're suffering the indigestion, you can use it as a digestive aid. Drink a cup of it after your food. It's the same way you will have peppermint tea. Apart from making basil into tea, you can also use them as pesto. You can add them to other ingredients to make pesto recipe that you can use for pasta. And for storage, you can dry both holy and sweet basil at home. You can leave it to dry out in your oven, or you can just hang it to air dry, and once dry you can store them and use it all year round, like I've got in this jar here. So I'm sure you're waiting for this bit. So how do we make this wonderful herb basil into tea? I've got my teapot with an infuser. So some of the basil I've plucked and washed them. So I've got a bunch. I'm going to use, the leaves are quite nice, but you could also use the stem. So I've got about 5 or 6 leaves on each. 6 leaves will be fine for 1 cup of tea, but my teapot is quite large, so I usually add 2 cups. So I'm going to have 2 in the infuser, and then add in hot water. You can see it's already brewing, nice creamy color. So I've got 2 cups in that kettle. So cover it and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Your tea is ready. You can also use the ground ones if you prefer. Just add in 1 to 2 tablespoons to your tea. I can add a little bit just for more potency. The sweet basil could be eaten raw, nice and peppery. You could add it to your salad. You could add it to seasoned fish or other meat. So let's give the tea a taste. It's nice creamy color. It's quite comforting. It's like you said, it's fruity, spicy kind of clovey flavor. It's nice, plain in the mouth, not sweet, not sour or bitter. I love this one. It's similar probably to peppermint tea. You could feel the minty finish aftertaste as well. So enjoy. So that's it for today on basil, holy basil and sweet basil. Know your herbs, a herb that we can use for digestive aid, for heart, for arthritis, and for general immune protection. We hope to see you again next time in the next episode. If you are enjoying this playlist that we're doing on food for longevity series, then please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and family who may be interested or also on this journey of naturopathy and herbal medicine. Until next time, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.